Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry Refresher Course Number 3 Periodic Classification of Elements. We are going to discuss first Modern Periodic Law. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. Mendeleev periodic law, this atomic number word is replaced by atomic mass, but in modern periodic law, it is atomic numbers. What are the features of modern periodic table? All the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic numbers in the periodic table. The horizontal rows are called periods. There are 7 periods in the periodic table. Vertical columns in the periodic table starting from top to bottom are called groups. There are 18 groups in the periodic table. So 7 period and 18 groups in the periodic table. Classification of elements into blocks. Based on the arrangement of electron in subcells, the elements of periodic table are classified into 4 blocks, namely S, P, D and F block. We know there are 4 orbitals, mainly S orbital, P orbital, D orbital and F orbital. And the maximum number of electron in S orbital 2, P orbital 6, D orbital 10 and F orbital 14. Depending upon the number of electron in each orbital, there are number of groups in the periodic table. First, S block element. Elements whose valency electrons are added to S subcell are called S block element. The additive electron, the last electron entered into the S orbital is called S block element. It includes group 1 alkali metal and group 2 alkaline earth metals. Mostly these elements are metals, and also they are also called reactive metals. Come to the next black element, P black element. Elements whose valency electrons are added to P subcell are called P black element. The last electron present in P orbital. These elements are in group 13 to 18 in the periodic table. Starting from boron group element, carbon group element, nitrogen group element, oxygen group element, halogens and noble gases. 13 to 18 group element. And it is only the black that contain metal, non-metal and metal. All these are collectively present under P black elements. Come to the next black element, D black elements. Elements whose valency electrons are added to D subcell are called D black element. There are 10 electrons in D orbital. It includes group 3 to 12 in the periodic table. Their properties are intermediate to that of S black and P black element, and so they are called as transition element. The properties of D black elements are in between the properties of S black and P black element. Therefore, they are called transition element. Transition means in between. Come to F black element. In F orbital, the maximum number of electron is 14. Elements having their valency electrons in the F subcell are called F black element. It includes 14 elements after lanthanum called lanthanoids and 14 elements after actinum called actinoids. It is also called as inner transition element. And now we are going to discuss about the position of hydrogen and rare gases, noble gases, inert gases, 18th group element in the periodic table. First, we are going to discuss about the position of hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest, smallest and first element of the periodic table. It occupies a unique position in the periodic table. It loses one electron and becomes H plus ion and behaves as alkali metal, because alkali metal always lose one electron and becomes monopositive ion. Just like alkali metal, hydrogen also lost one electron and becomes the monopositive ion and readily accept an electron, hydride ion. This is hydrogen ion, hydride ion, and behave as halogens. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine all gain one electron and becomes negatively charged ion. Hence, the position of hydrogen in the modern periodic table is still under debate, as the properties of hydrogen are unique. But in modern periodic table, the hydrogen is placed above lithium in the alkali metal in first group. Rare gases, inert gases or noble gases. The elements of group 18 consist of helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, collectively known as inert gases. On accounting for their minimum quantity in air, they are called as rare gases. Very small quantity of noble gases are present in air, therefore they are called rare gases. Mostly they are chemically inactive, therefore they are called inert gases. Come to metals. Metals occupy larger area in the periodic table and are categorized as alkali metal, first group element, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, alkaline earth metal, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, transition element from group 3 to 12, metals in P block, example aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium, tin and lead, stannum and plumbum. All these are metal. This P block include metal, metalloid and also non-metal. Metals are mostly hard and shiny. This lustrous properties of metal is due to the presence of one or two electron in the valence shell. They are malleable and ductile. Malleable means the metal can be beaten into thin sheet. Ductile means the metal can be drawn into thin wire. And they are good conductors of heat and electricity. These are the properties of metal. Come to non-metal. All non-metals are arranged in P block only. In S, D, F there is no non-metals. Example carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, selenium, halogens. What are halogens? Salt producers. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and inert gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon are all non-metals. Non-metals are generally not shiny, not lustrous in nature, soft, they are very soft. Metals are hard, non-metals are very soft and it does not conduct electricity and heat. Come to metalloids. Elements which have properties of both metals and non-metals are called as metalloids. For example, boron, arsenic are example of metalloid, elements having both the properties of metals and non-metals. Come to alloys. Alloys are mixture of two or more metals or metals and non-metals. They are called alloys. Example, brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. Bronze is a mixture of copper and tin or mixture of metal, and also mixture of metal and non-metal are called alloys. What are the properties of alloy? They are harder than pure metal. They have less conductance than pure metal. They do not get corroded. In the case of stainless steel, the element present in stainless steel is chromium, nickel, iron and carbon. The chromium, when mixed, it forms chromic oxide which deposited on the surface of stainless steel and prevent the stainless steel to become corrosion. So, they do not get corroded. In the third bridge goes, we studied about the periodic classification of element, modern periodic law, features, classification of element into black, S black element, P black element, D black element, F black element, position of hydrogen and rare metals, what are metals and their properties, non-metal and their properties, metalloid and their properties, and alloys and their properties we discussed. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.